File handling using Python. Files that store data are known as data files. Text file. It stores data in the form of ASCII characters. Binary file. It stores data in the same format as it is stored in memory as stream of bytes. File object allows us to read and write in the files. It takes the reference of the file and opens it in different modes that we want. File object acts as a connector between the user and the file. Open function, it creates a file object which would be utilized to call. Syntax, file object is equal to open, file name and access mode. Here are the different file access modes for both binary and text files. You can pause the video and go through it. Write function, it writes string to file referenced by file object. Syntax, file object dot write string. Write lines, it writes all strings in list L as lines to file referenced by file object. Syntax, file object dot write lines string. Read function, it returns n bytes from the file. If n not given, it returns all the bytes from the file. Syntax, file object dot read. Read line, it returns n bytes from the file. If n not given, returns all the bytes from one line. Syntax, file object dot read line. Read lines, it returns all the lines in the form of a list. Syntax, file object dot read lines. Close function, it closes the file. Syntax, file object dot close. Split function, it splits a line in column, it returns as item of a list. Strip function, removes the given character from both the ends. Lstrip, removes the given character from the left end. Rstrip, removes the given character from the right end. A file pointer tells the current position in the file where reading or writing will take place. It is like a bookmark, it is left at the spot we left and the continuation is done further from there. Tell function, it tells us the current position of the file pointer. Seek function, it moves the file pointer to the specified position. While storing data, especially like lists and dictionaries, the structure needs to be maintained. For the proper conversion between the two, Python provides us a pickle module. Pickle.dump, object to be written and file object of open file. Pickle.load, file object. It returns the objects. Pickling or serialization, conversion of Python object into byte stream. Unpickling or deserialization, conversion of a byte stream back into an object. CSV file is a text file that stores data separated by commas. CSV files helps to store data in simple organized way which can be directly used in databases and spreadsheets. CSV files are opened same as text files. You can pause the video and go through the syntax. CSV files are opened same as text files. You can pause the video and go through the syntax. Thanks for watching.